Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speedy English Snap. Today we're going to practice a very important skill, how to introduce yourself in English. We'll do this step by step, and I'll show you an example conversation with my learner here.
Hello, I'm ready.
Great, let's begin. The first step is always to say your name. For example, my name is Ollie. Can you try?
My name is Ollie.
Perfect. Now, step 2 is your country or city. You can say, I'm from United States.
I'm from United States.
Excellent. Step 3 is your age. For example, I'm 22 years old.
I'm 22 years old.
Good job. Step 4 is about your work or studies. You can say, I'm a student, or, I work as a teacher.
I'm a student. I study computer science.
Very nice. Step 5, you can talk about your family. For example, I live with my parents, and I have one brother.
I live with my parents, and I have one younger brother.
Great. And finally, step 6, your hobbies or interests. For example, I like playing cricket, or, I enjoy reading books.
I like reading books and playing cricket. Hello, my name is Ollie. I'm from Pakistan. I'm 22 years old. I'm a university student and I study computer science. I live with my parents, and I have one younger brother. In my free time, I like reading books and playing cricket.
Perfect. That's how you introduce yourself step by step. Thanks for listening, friends. Try practicing your own introduction in the comments. See you in the next episode of Speedy English Snap.